Hi, my name is Himawan. You can call me him. Right now, I'm a UX writer in one of the technology companies in Indonesia. In this lesson, you will learn about so many things. We will talk more about some of the technicalities of the problems. So right now, we're going to learn more about how you're going to approach a UX writing project. This includes what to understand from the context. So it includes like the background, what is a product intent, what is tone, and how you should, make sense of those three things to make relevant microcopy. And then the next one, we will be learning about copy research. At the end of the class, we will be also learning about how to build your CV or your portfolio. This includes what kind of structure that you should use and what should you include in your portfolio so that you can have a strong rapport for your next employer. So I hope you enjoy the classes as much as I do sharing them with you. See you in the classes.